Welcome back to my channel, guys. Again, so remember, we're here to fix the noise and also the vibration on the gas pedal. So remember, we found, I'm adding the video about how to find the problem. Um, so now we are going to change, after we find the problem, we're going to change the CB axle. So we find out that CB axle is not good. So today we're going to change the CB axle. Okay, so we are changing together the CB axle and along with the brakes. So I would recommend you, if you are on time, to change the brake pads. Do it at the same time, because since you are going to open everything, so you will be doing just both jobs at the same time. Otherwise you're gonna have to do it again. But if it's time to change, obviously, okay. Some tools that we need is we need the jack stands. This is the jack also. We need the transmission fluids. When you are going to change the CB axle, remember that you will be dropping some of the transmission fluid, so that's why you need to have some transmission fluid. I have 3 quarts. You don't drop that much, but you need to have some transmission fluid. So I would recommend you to, whatever you drop, and just pick up wherever you drop, and then measure. If you have one like this, just measure how many a quart you dropped, and then you will put the same amount. So that's the way you can just keep with the same amount, so you don't overfill or just put less. Transmission fluid is very important to have it at the right level and everything. Also, we have this here. As remember, we have this all these sockets. Okay. To remove this thing here, right here, this is the one. This is number 32. I will show you right now. This is number 32. Not all of them are 32. Some of them are 30. You need to check with your local dealer or yourself. But this is the one that is going to open. So we're going to lift the car, and then after that we'll remove the tire. Remember that you have always, the car has a little mark here, so you put in the area where you put the mark, so you can lift the car and you can put it in the right spot. Okay, so now lift it. Before you do everything, just loose the nut a little bit. This is going to be quick. Okay, have this big bar. It helps you a lot. Okay, just loosen the nut. Okay, there you go. After that, I'm just gonna lift the car. Okay, we have this one here. Alright, I'm just gonna lift a little bit more. Okay, so you can have better access to the axle, because we're going to be playing with everything. We're going to be changing the brake paddles, also the brake pads. Sorry. And so you need to relax. Okay, so now since this is up, for some people that doesn't know exactly, you see this is like loose, so now you're going to go back a little bit. Okay, back a little bit. Alright, now both of them are holding it. Okay, there's something you're going to do at the other side. Alright, so since everything is loose now, okay, go ahead and remove the nut. Okay, this will help you a lot, but If you don't have it, then you can use something different. Okay. Alright. Okay. Just put the tire inside. Put the tire here just to make sure. Now we're going to change also the discs and the brake pads. Okay, brake pads and discs, both of them are going to be changed because brake pads are, I'm sorry, the yeah, I said discs, so you can call the rotors. The rotors also need to be changed. Okay, so to do this, we need to change this. We need to remove this, and also we need to remove the brake pads. I think that's number 13. I'm not sure if that's 13. Let's see, we can use you can use 15. Okay, 15 is good for you for the brakes. Okay, well, same thing, we're working on the Ford Transit, so alright. So, and you know, I have this one here, so you can use this one here, obviously with the adapter, because I lost my okay. So this is what you have to lose. Okay. I would love to work with this one with the drill. There you go. The drill makes everything quicker. Okay. Some areas you can't use the drill, so we have to use the hand. See? It was okay. Alright. Alrighty. So since you're going to remove the brake pads, that's not a problem, so you can just remove these ones. But before you do that, you need to have some sort of like a metal wire or something like that just to hang this right here, so it doesn't have to bend this hose. Okay, this is the brake hose. If you let it bend, then it's going to break. So that's what we're going to look for. We're going to look for something. So I'm going to do it here. I'm going to get this thing. Let me see if I can. So now we're going to open. See, it just came out. But we're going to tie it in here, okay? There you go. Here. You can later, you can just cut the wire or however you want. Just make sure it's secure because it's a little heavy. Alright, now the rotors are coming. Luckily they're loose. If they're not loose, then you have to bang with a hammer right here, like in this area here. You see here, 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 without damaging these bolts, and then they get loose and then it just come out. Okay, but in this time it's nice. As you see how the rotors are very old, rusty, and see that they're attaching here, so not good. So now we have this thing here. What you have to do here, also we have to remove the bolt right here from from the strut. Okay, so we have three things: this, and this. So we can twist. All right. Let me see what we're gonna do here now. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna use these nuts here. Okay, this one here, the sway bar, and then now to pull him up, you see how it is? What you're gonna do is, this is easy. Just put the bolt back again, all right?